Tamil Movies is very popular, and you may want to download the Tamil Movies onto your mobile phone or tablet. Well, this video will show you download Tamil Movies free and in a batch. We will introduce 3 ways for you how to free download Tamil Movies with ease. Now, open YouTube, and search Tamil Movies, select the latest, let's select Tamil Movies 2020. And you'll get many results. Now, let's start download. Open one of the video, copy the link of it. The first one, we can use as an online downloader. Open the website, paste the link and click search. Now, we get the video information, choose the video quality. Let's choose the best 720p video with audio, click download. Now, the video is starting download. The downloading time depends on your network speed. The second one, we are using also as an online download. Open the website, paste the link and click download. After minutes, we get the video information. Select the MP4 720p to download, and now, the video is downloading too. The last one, we'll introduce is an app which can batch download many videos in a time. Open the app, and paste the link, then you can see the video is ready to download. And we can add many video links through input URLs, and copy the video links and paste into the batch links window. When you are ready, click OK, and then the app start and get the informations. OK, now, select the video quality and click download arrow. Now, the 3 videos is downloading. After downloading the videos, you can transfer the videos to your mobile phone or tablet, and watch them anytime anywhere.